So we replaced the control arms in the front with control arms for adjustable coilovers. We replaced tie rod ends, sway bar links, and we put in SR Performance 3-way adjustable coilovers in the front and the rear. I think we have about $2 grand in the suspension right now, but everything looks pretty good. We're gonna come on back here to the back. These are the non-adjustable control arms. We got upper and lower for the back on both sides. These are the SR Performance adjustable struts for the rear and the adjustable springs for the rear. And then we